Good evening, welcome back to the In the Khud, in the Rushed Khud. This is December 20th, 2022, 7:32 p.m. and as you can see, I'm in kind of a rush. Things are kind of messed up and I need to quickly finish recording. This has to stay under 5 minutes and edit this and then leave by 8 o'clock, please, because I leave by 8:40 and I reach by 9 o'clock. And 9:30 I have to leave, like 9:45 I have to leave. I just get like 30-40 minutes of workout. But even then, yesterday I was doing body pump 106. I did the entire class except for shoulders and lunges, and like I'm feeling soreness in the chest. Body pump is so beautiful. One of the biggest blessings I've had in my life is the exposure to Les Mills and body pump. However, let's start off with today. I woke up at 6 a.m. Play the celebratory music because it's been, I think, a couple of weeks since I haven't been able to get up. By 7 o'clock, I was done with the morning schedule and everything and have a bath and everything. But Snowy was sleeping, so I thought of working on some stuff. But then he woke up. Okay. So the thing that I was working on, and today was primarily a full-time job heavy day because 2 members of my team are on leave due to their situations and circumstances, and because of which a lot of the work that usually happens through them, I have to do it now. But that's okay. That's part of the package. That's what I know I have signed up for, so that's not a problem. There will be days where I cannot touch dad's work or do my own thing and just focus on the full-time job. That was today. The entire thing that I was trying to figure out in the morning was this little problem that I'm running into with my pop script. And here you see there are 3 rectangles. Okay. Now I will open, firstly I'll open single. Okay. Now this is basically a code which is, if you select a single layer and you run this code, it alerts 100. So what this is doing is basically applying the transform effect on this layer. If you go into effects, the transform effect is applied, and we are alerting the value of the scale of that transform effect. Similarly for this, I can come in here and run this. You'll see transform effect is applied and scale of 100. Okay, so that was 1. Okay, now this is the same thing, but it's in a loop, right? For I 0 is less than. Now essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these and run this. It's not even running once this time. So transform effect is coming on, but the scale set value for 200 is happening only for 1. Now I tried a lot in the morning, like completely spent so much time trying to figure out why this is not working out. Like everything else is working fine. For example, if I come in here and throughout the loop, if I was to just alert TE position, right, for this, undo this, now select 1 2 3, come in here and press F5. I am getting object property, so I'm going to do position dot value, undo. Now 1 2 3, come in here, run this. So you get 96540, which is the transform effects position for layer 1, then layer 2, then layer 3. That's working just fine. Now if I was to take anchor point is also working just fine. 1 2 3, first undo it. 1 2 3, come in here, run. Anchor point is also the same in this case for transform effect. If I was to take scale, however, and put it here, I come in here and say 1 2 3, and then I run this. The first time the transform effect is applied and you get 100, but from the second time onwards you just get null is not an object as an error. I don't know if you can see it in the 2:1 or not, but I will. Yeah, you see null is not an object. This is the error that's coming. Now I basically tried to figure out why it's becoming null. It has got something to do with the loop and not, like, basically I want to set its value. I'm using it for pop script, so I want to be able to just press a button and have all these 3 scale up from 0 to 100 in a matter of 20 frames. That's what pop script does. Now it is working fine for just 1, but when I have like multiple like these, this is the problem, that when I go into the transform effects scale value, it is becoming a null object. I do not know why. So I was stuck here the whole day and I couldn't, whole day, no, like the initial part. But yeah, I'll probably think about it more, think about it in different methods and different versions, and I will get a solution for it sooner or later. So stay tuned for finding out if I get a solution, like what the solution. I will get it for sure. That's about it for today's documentation. Very short, very quick. Thank you so much for being in the khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.